Hello, my name is Griffin Lovern, and here's my presentation on cancer. So, some general facts about cancer. Cancer is the second most leading cause of death in the United States, just behind heart disease. Just in 2018, there were approximately 609,640 cancer deaths just in the United States, not counting any other countries. And also in 2018, there were over 1.7 million new cases of cancer that were diagnosed. And continued facts. Cancer is a large group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells being clumped together. A neoplasm is just the new growth tissue that doesn't really have a function. And a tumor is just the clumping of those neoplasmic cells, like I just said, that don't really have a function, and they clump together, and that's how a tumor is formed. And then main types of cancer, breast cancer, which is mainly in women. There's over 300,000 cases of the breast cancer. I believe like around 240-ish thousand is women, and then around the other 60, give or take, is men. And that's just in the U.S. And then lung cancer, which is in both men and women, have 200,000 new cases yearly, with around 142 deaths also yearly. And then prostate cancer, which is the second leading cause of death for American men, and it also has around 164 new cases each year. And then reducing the risk of cancer. If you're clean of tobacco use, using tobacco, obviously, if you're in Dr. Lighting's class, we've used multiple tobacco examples on how your lungs get, and how there's tar that gets stuck all the way down to your lungs. Being free of tobacco can help reduce the risk of cancer, as well as maintaining a healthy weight and eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. You should be having around 5 servings a day, fruits and vegetable wise, and then protecting yourself from the sun. Picking a shady spot, using an umbrella, putting decent sunscreen, just really protecting yourself from the sun, purifying yourself from skin cancer. And then my works cited is Access to Health 16th edition by Rebecca J. Donatel 2008. The 13 most common cancer types by Scott Frothingham 2019, and then Cancer Prevention: 7 Steps to reduce your risk by the Mayo Clinic staff in 2022.